Good day, YouTube friends. I think we have two videos to upload today. The first one I already uploaded there. A few minutes that will be live in my YouTube channel, and that's about our sixth update of our Himalayan mulberry because it's fruit season now. And here, oh, the bananas start to get ripe, right? Almost. Oh, I think I need to harvest that one now, or maybe next weekend. My bananas here are not looking nice, are not looking good because it got destroyed by like um, the impact of the typhoon from like somewhere, and this area here became an outlet of that strong current of wind, and so the farmer behind that fence that we have here, including this rented place, they started removing those bananas because the durian tree started to grow up. And so we've got the full impact of that current of wind and sea. The effect, it's really damaging to our bananas. A lot of banana trees tumbled down and it's quite messy, and I don't have the interest to clean this up right now. I hope I have time to look at this this summer. But that is not the thing that I want to show you. But I have this hidden treasure that I am about to show you, YouTube friends. And this is the native mulberry tree. Look how gorgeous the fruits are. See that? And they are not plant. They are not like intentionally cut down to give us fruits, but they just naturally provide us free fruits this season. And I can tell you, we have this heaps of fruits to this native mulberry. See that? Tons and tons of native fruits to this native variety of mulberry. Look at that. See that one, YouTube friends? I did not touch anything here. They just naturally give us this free fruit. And I think Mama can still catch up with the rest of the fruits. See that one? Kind of tiring to look at these fruits. A lot of them. See that? And we have this heaps of fruits beneath the gutter. Look at that. These are all naturally produced fruits, YouTube friends. But I'm thinking after the season, I have to cut, once these branches get old, I have to cut them down and I have to push this one outside the gutter. It's under the gutter. I have to push this one outside the gutter of the house, and then I'll tie this one with straw, maybe connected to that banana tree right there, and then we will produce like maybe 2 or 3 times double the number or triple the number of these fruits that we can produce next season. But with this number of fruits alone, I think the smoothie is waving. Mulberry smoothie is waving. I think we have some initial ripe ones. The red ones, they're not eatable yet because this is a native mulberry and that can be really, really sour, that red one. But this black one here, this is ready for eating. This is already sweet, and let's see if it's clean. We'll see if there's no any pests. I think none. It's clean. Okay, you want to see me? A little bit sour. but can be eaten already. It's eatable already. We have chickens here. They're roaming around looking for food. They don't eat fruits. By the way, they eat the roots of the banana trees. That's why we have strong current of winds, and I don't know if they are tempted to peck on the fruits below here. See that one? Until down here, look at the fruits. YouTube friends, see that? Heaps of native mulberry fruits. The chickens are just passing by. They're looking for bugs and insects. They rather eat the bugs than this delicious and nutritious fruit. They're kind of weird chicos. This is Yua. See that one, YouTube friends? Oh, come on, man. Look how gorgeous it is. To have this kind of fruit, nutritious, delicious, rich in antioxidants. Like, it can help boost your immune system to fight against cancer cells that is already in your body. Meaning it will boost your immune system. It gives you additional um, antibodies that can, yeah, help your health into a better shape. So we have this heaps of fruits here. And actually we have several mulberry trees right here that I planted everywhere. Look at that, that's another one. But I think we only have a few fruits here. See that? Yeah, that's another one. And we have another, this is our chicken coop where my chickens sleep the whole night. And we have another 2 or 3 more mulberry trees there, but it's really, really messy. The wind. What? There's another banana tree that fell on the ground last night. And that additional banana tree, there's one cluster of fruit in that. That's why I am already tired to look after these bananas. Now that I've got work, I have less time to look into the garden, and it's not easy to manage that. Plus, I have my poker tournament in which it consumes a lot of time. So after this filming, I'll be back inside and continue the marking of the grades of my students from my time 1 to 6. So okay, so that is all what we have here. This is a hidden treasure to me. I don't know for all of you viewers, but to me it's a hidden treasure because it's a free, delicious, nutritious fruit that just like pop up in my backyard here. So it's good to have your own fruit, your own backyard. That's the beauty and the blessing if you have something to plant on. If you have a space where you can plant something, and then later on you will have to experience the beautiful consequence of, or the beautiful fruit of the labor that you have right into your garden. So that is all, YouTube friends. See you in the next vlog. Bye.